Pencampwyr y Cwpan, Cei Connah oedd yn herio Trefelin o gyngred y de a'r pencampwyr lwyddodd i gyrraedd cefn y rhwyd gyntaf. Elliot Dygan yn rhwydo, ond yn anffodus y dyfarnwr David Morgan yn gwrthod y gol. Cic gornel Rhys Hughes lwyddodd i gyrraedd y postyn cefn a dyna lle'r oedd Ben Nash yn barod i'w ffenio i gefn y rhwyd. Y sgôr ar yr hanner, Cei Connah 1, Trefelin dim. Roedd hi'n fater o amser tan i'r ail gol ymddangos ac ymhen dim roedd Ben Ma wedi'i chipio. Bellach ddwy gol ar y blaen, roedd hi'n amlwg fod y tîm cartra'n teimlo'n rhwystredig. Y capten yn colli dymer gyda'r amddiffynwr Ben Nash a dadla mawr rhwng y ddau yn arwain at gardia coch. Connor Goldsworth a Ben Nash yn cael eu hanfon oddi ar y cae. Ac, yn anffodus, roedd y drwg deimlad yn parhau oddi ar y cae. Wedi'r twrw ddistewi fe, lwyddodd Trefelin i sicrhau cic o'r smotyn yn dilyn dacl yma gan Ben Ma. Joe Clark yn ergydio ac yn rhwydo'n ddigon hawdd, ond gol gysur yn unig I Trefelin a Cei Connah'n selio ei lle yn y bedwaredd rownd.
There's not much between us and them in that game. If you took that game into perspective, I think the difference is the little details, like the set-piece goal which we've worked on and we've conceded. We know that they're good at that. We know they attack the far post, and we conceded at the far post. So I think the difference in our level and that level is the little details, and even though they're little details, they're massive in how the game turns out.
It was important that our name was in the next round. We knew coming here it was going to be a tough game. They have some good quality individuals, which we had to keep quiet on the night, and I felt that we did that.
We always knew it was going to be a tough game coming down. Obviously, we can watch them last week, knew it was going to be a tough game, but the process to get into the next round was key, and we're in the hat now, and yeah, that's all we wanted to do when we come out the game today.
We see ourselves as favourites, even this game. I think it's a mentality, it's a mindset that you have to go into games doing that, and I think the boys, their application was superb on the pitch, and I think they deserve more than what they got.